Alright, see if we can get this done before it gets noisy in here. I'm going to rebuild a 6L80 valve body in Techm. Get this kit. Yeah, can't hardly see the name. Number 124740-03K or -30K, I think. Go on Sonax's website and you'll see it there. They got a tool kit, and then they got this refill kit. This is the refill kit. Just grab, pull the rubber out. And you dig this out of here. These aren't blown out yet, but they will be. I'll do it. You look real close, you can see the center of it's fixing to blow out. There's a plastic piece in here. You need to make sure they're in here on it, all of them. There's 3 copper tabs in there that they'll sit down in. You'll see the back side of that puck has some grooves in it, and they got to sit down on those. Then you just take these, kind of fold it over like so, shove it back into where it came out. You'll have a little part of it that's still sticking up. You'll use the tool to push that down in there. Get 5 in a kit, so I'll just save your extras. Every 5th one you'll have a free kit. Sonax tool number 124740-TL30. Take this tool with the little hook, go to the opposite side of where it's sticking up, stick it down in that groove and just twist it around. Do that until it puts it all the way in. Make sure it's centered. You don't want it off to one side. You can do this for any of the Techms that have this. 6040s, 6070s. 6F35s, 6F50s. The Generation 2s, they got rid of this because it was such a problem. This one's being a snot. You get this tool, pull that down, plunger down. Get you a little bit of grease. Just kind of lube it up a little bit. Stick that down on there. Take this tool, shove that up in there. Just take the tool, set it on there, push it out. Pretty nifty little tool. Just make sure they're down there all the way. That one didn't quite go in right. Here we go. Extra rubber, so I got it for next time. Alrighty. And we got the valve. Make sure none of the lamination is coming off the valves. The main one that it likes to come off of is the PR valve and the pump. There's a 7 check ball and there's 8 check ball. 8th check ball will go in there if it takes it. And the way you tell is this hole right here. This small hole right here. This one takes it. If it has a bigger hole like that right there, it doesn't take it. Or if no hole, it doesn't take it. So apparently this one disintegrated because it wasn't in there when I took it apart. This valve here likes to hang, especially when the pumps go bad and the torque converters go bad. And if it hangs, you got about a 50-50 shot of getting it to where it'll stay free. You might get it free, but it won't stay free. Let's see here. Seven millimeters. Millimeters go on the end here. The 8 millimeter goes here. 10 go here. Tighten up your 8 millimeters first. Ah, done screwed up. Forgot the filter plate goes here. There's little tabs that go on there, and they don't have, if they break off, it ain't no big deal. There. Tighten it up. Then tighten your tins up. You have to make several passes because it's going to compress that filter plate. Don't get Western with it. It doesn't take that much. You'll feel it bottom out. You need to stop and quit compressing it. Ten goes there and there. Sevens go here. Plug in your speed sensors. Add your seals. And the valve body's rebuilt.